Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 7.6% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices climbed as concerns over potential supply disruption amid Russia's invasion of Ukraine outweighed talk of a coordinated global release of crude stocks to calm markets. The ruble fell further after partly recovering some ground while the dollar edged higher and the Swiss franc hit a 7-year high as investors sought out the safe haven currency while waiting for developments in Ukraine. Crypto-focused venture firm Electric Capital has raised $400 million for its third early-stage fund, as well as a $600 million digital token fund.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's unemployment rate will be released at 08:55 GMT. Australia's gross domestic product at 0:30 minutes GMT. The US Fed's Beige Book at 1900 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. The U.S. ADP employment change at 13:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.